Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, let's get that drawing done. It's literally Sunday night when I'm doing this, so I'm actually a little bit behind. I actually just got home from work, of all things, on a Sunday. So, getting pretty low in the names. And this one was first, so we got, oh, he hasn't been uploading videos. The Lore of Bushcraft. I haven't seen him around in weeks. Actually, months. Oh, we got, he just changed his channel name. Pacific Northwest full stop, but it's actually like Explore the Outdoors now. But I'll put both names in the description of the video. But I'll put his channel down there and the end card so you guys can go check him out. I think he talked about having a sticker, but I haven't gotten it yet, so hope I get to add that to my board soon. Cool. Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all their information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders, saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.